Videographics and Cinematography Limited, VCL, is by far the nation's leader in the video industry. Founded in 1993, the company has grown from strength to strength each year into what is now a full-service professional organization. It is VCL that did all the filming and editing of popular local drama TV series. That's Life Mwattu, Bibawo, These Things Happen, Kitalo Alakat, Checho, That's It, and now currently Life Kyeki on NBS.
Hello, welcome to this series of programs. This is a half hour of reflection called
Life Kyeki
and OMG, Oh My God, Kitalo on Bukedde TV and channel 161 DSTV. OMG, Oh My God, Kitalo. Advertisers in these programs have reaped immense benefits from these shows, and they have received perfect value for their money. VCL does professional audio and visual production of films, movies, soap operas, documentaries, commercials, TV dramas, and special functions. VCL also professionally films private functions like weddings,
sickness and health, to love and to cherish.
So we are done with books. Sawa ya bana.
Other services provided at VCL include still photography, a unisex salon for all hair styling, plating, manicure, pedicure, and bridal care. VCL boasts of being the leader in this industry in Uganda with a fully fledged technical department and an audio suite manned by competent professionals. VCL has the modern state-of-the-art equipment which include, among others, Canon 5D Mark, Sony NXCam, Sony HDVs, DVCams, Lightcam, Steadicam, audio-visual switcher supported by HD recording units, audio mixers, talkback units, multiple lighting systems, public address units, a fully equipped audio recording studio. OB, mobile filming and editing vans.